In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up and use the Cookworks Mini Oven. Firstly, place the oven on a stable, heat-resistant surface like a worktop. Additionally, ensure that it is placed away from flammable materials. Place the back of the oven against the wall and leave a clear gap of at least 12 cm on all sides and 50 cm above the oven to allow for good ventilation. Set the timer dial to the off position. Next, fully unwind the cable and plug the socket into the mains. For safety, avoid plugging into extension leads. Slide the crumb tray underneath the lower heating element. Next, slide the grill rack and baking tray onto the rack supports. Use the temperature control knob to select your desired cooking temperature. Then, turn the function dial to select your cooking method. You can then set the timer to the desired length of time needed. If you are baking or roasting, close the oven door. If you are grilling or toasting, leave the door ajar. If you would like to use the hob, place a pot or pan onto your chosen hot plate. Then, rotate the dial to the hot plate you are using. You can choose between 3 different settings, depending on your desired temperature. To use the rotisserie spit, remove the grill and baking tray. Insert the rotisserie spit through the centre of the joint or chicken. Then, fit the claws onto the rotisserie spit and press them against the chicken or joint. Fit the thumb screws into the holes in the claws and turn until secure. Next, slot the rotisserie spit into the socket on the right of the oven. Then, slot the other side onto the bracket on the left. Please note that each side of the rotisserie spit is different, so ensure that you have fitted the spit as shown. Refit the baking tray on the lowest slot. Next, turn the temperature dial to 220 degrees. Then, turn the function dial to the desired rotisserie option. Turn the timer control dial to the required time. A bell noise will sound when the cooking time has finished and the oven will turn off automatically. If Stay On has been selected, you will need to turn the oven off when necessary. Always use the rotisserie handle when removing the spit from the oven. Please note that there may be a small amount of smoke when first used due to it removing residues from the manufacturing process. For more information on operating the oven, please read the supplied instruction manual.